All right, we're about to start getting dry here, where the rain is not going to be as much. Hopefully not, but this is all going to dry up and get turned into just solid rock again. Well, hard dirt. Anyways, drilled some holes in the ground, corn holes. Like I said, trying to keep them interested in coming here. We're going to put some corn and some strawberry jelly down in the holes, and that way they keep rooting in. That, as they dig down, they'll be mixing it in with the dirt, the strawberry paste. So yeah, you get one of them drills, cornhole. Just drill a hole down into it, put some corn in there, put some like strawberry jelly or strawberry syrup would even work. And we're just gonna top off the holes with corn, and as they work the corn out of it, they'll be rooting around, digging up, like I said, and that'll steer the strawberry flavor into the rest of the dirt and around it. So hopefully it'll keep them around there for a while. And that's pretty much it to cornholing. Yeah, whatever. Cornholing. 4 holes in the ground. Strawberry jelly down at the bottom and corn on top. And they'll mix it up. They'll keep mixing that strawberry taste and smell into the dirt. So hopefully it keeps them coming back. Again, as y'all seen, the waller.